Here we go. One step at a time, don't be living on the line. I don't need a friend, I got morbid on the mind. Sunshine in my brain, making everyone complain. Radio in the heart, don't be being so strange. Think I'm losing it, baby, where have you been? Everybody says that you're moving again. I don't wanna be right, baby, every single night. I could tell you a thing about taking your time. It's making me nervous, yeah. One step at a time, don't be living on the line. I don't need a friend, I got morbid on the mind. Sunshine in my brain, making everyone complain. Radio in the heart, don't be being so strange. Think I'm losing it, baby, where have you been? Everybody says that you're moving again. I don't wanna be right, baby, every single night. I could tell you a thing about taking your time. It's making me nervous, yeah.
I'm not at the beach, this a bathtub.
Think I'm losing it, baby, where have you been? Everybody says that you're moving again. I don't wanna be right, baby, every single night. I could tell you a thing about taking your time. It's making me nervous, yeah.
We drop beats like crack your cranium. Bring it on. You can bang the drum, you can bang the drum. You can bang the drum, you can bang the drum. Bring it on. You can bang the drum, you can bang the drum. We will play along, we will play along. What goes on is pandemonium. Poison the sushi with plutonium. Radiate, I can reach uranium. When we drop beats out, crack your cranium. We pop shots on the beats we're rolling on. And with the bomb style, we'll get hold of them. Hold of them, and we're about to blow. With a cocktail from you, bits zirconium. You wanna go some, you wanna spar. Or we can bang the drum at your door. You wanna go some, you wanna spar. Yeah, we can bang the drum at your door. Bring it on. You can bang the drum, you can bang the drum. You can bang the drum, you can bang the drum. Bring it on. You can bang the drum, you can bang the drum. We will play along, we will play along. What you waiting for? rhyme, you can bang and drum.
face with it right. It doesn't sound right now. It's really weird. Anyway, yeah. It's, yeah. Cry, is that video you? Yes. Yes, it is. So, anyway. Hey, there he is. Thanks, Fairy Sprinkle. Link the video. I actually don't remember what the name of it was. I watched the whole porno without gay, because it's a gay porno. I watched it without any of the porn scenes in it. Because it was uploaded to YouTube, just all the gay porn was edited out so it could be on YouTube. And I watched it for the plot, and it was about as trashy as I expected. Because there's something you don't understand about that. That character is in a band. Not a lot of people know this. It's a band, and it's a boy band. Do you guys want to hear the song that they're in? Hold on a second. One sec. Alright. Here you go, chat. There he is. I got the feeling that I don't belong. Could it be what we had is gone? Maybe we should talk about it. There's not much to say. No, the games you play. Maybe we should live without you. Sorry, baby. You lose. The way it's gonna be has never been. I don't wanna ever see your face again. The way it's gonna be has never been. Oh fuck. It's so amazing. It's amazing. Without you. Sorry, baby, we're through. The way it's gonna be, it's never been. I don't wanna ever see your face again. The way it's gonna be, it's an easy end. The way it's gonna be, baby, it's never been. Face again. The way it's gonna be is easy and the way it's gonna be, baby, it's never been. Yeah, break it down, boys. Yeah. Cut it. Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Hold up! He pulls a gun on him! Holy shit! They could have cut a whole verse out of this, but it would have been. It's fine. It's fine. Face again. There we go. That was all them sitting at the couch watching their music video with their producer, I believe. There they are. Woo! The boys! Woo! Take a C4 rampage. Logan Felixson. Apologies for the lack of flash warning. I forgot that had flashing imagery. So apologies if tell me about it. Apologies if that hit anybody there. The fried potato. Hope you're staying hydrated, champ. You're darn too, and you want to hear full? That's a full tin right there. Nice. That's a Naira Gaia. What a boy. Let's see. About that inbred DNA question you asked the other day, there's something called bloodline theory, which basically says that everyone is related to each other due to centuries of reproducing and mixing with new families. So your family being 100% from Britain really ups the chances of your family accidentally hooking up with cousins. Basically, pretty much everyone in the world is related to some degree. Your family is just extra related. I feel like you sent that to me on Twitter. I feel like I read that exact thing today. Did I? Must have. Or I'm having one of those Matrix glitch moments. Shit. You better fill that bitch up, and when it's empty, or I'll eat you. Oh, you got it, boo-boo. I'll make sure to get all the liquids I've ever needed. Speaking of liquids, are we playing Catherine today? I have a branding deal in 3 hours. We could. It's just I would have to stop at 8. Is that okay? Okay. I'm fine with that as long as you guys are okay with us stopping at 8. Because at 8, we have Warsaw, which is actually the game linked below the stream video, which looks really fun. It was described to me from, let me tell you about it, from a girl, Clara. She says, it's like Darkest Dungeon meets Valiant Hearts. And I liked Valiant Hearts. And I believe people like Darkest Dungeon. So why not give it a shot? I'm intrigued, right? That sounds like a pretty cool premise. Let me just restart my Elgato there. Alright. Oh. You know what I was doing earlier today? Hang on a sec. Hang on. Before we start, can I do one thing that's not this related? Hold up. Just one thing. One sec. I just want to do one little thing. Okay? Okay. Well, that's loud. I wanted to play a little bit more of this. Let's see. We gotta get gold on everything. I'm trying to unlock, this right here. Problem is, that's hard as hell. I'll try. I went and got about 3 more golds today on some earlier levels that I missed. But let's give it a shot, I guess. Let's try. This one. Let me know how the volume is, by the way. What? Oh, god damn. Oh. Wait. Hey, mister. Silver. All right. Silver's fine. How's I'm sorry. What was the volume? Like, was it good? Was it bad? I totally nudged it up a little bit, even without it looking. I'm sorry. Honestly, I kind of want to just go through a few and just see what happens. Ooh. I believe this is one of my favorite ones. Yes! What? That one's so hard to get gold for. The gold for some of these is so... Like, look how far I was. I was over 13,000 off. I think you have to get these, like, diamonds or something. Because they're so important. I guess, anyway. Oh, hell yes, Little Jim. You get it, Doug. Remember your dire score multiplier breaks? Oh, really? Okay, thank you for that. I didn't know that. Makes sense.